This is Alejandro, and this is a video for humanity. Before I start this video, let me make it very clear. I do not care where you're from. I do not care what you believe in. If you're Christian, Muslim, Jewish, Buddhist, whatever. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if your first language is Spanish, like mine, or English, like mine, or Arabic, or Chinese, or Hindi. It doesn't matter. This video is for you if you are a human. There's always war happening. There's always stupid bullshit happening. There's always politics happening. And I want every single person to be able to hear this video and to hear the message that I have for you. And what I have for you is a message. And this message is a question. How would you act in the supposed scenario where you were not just the body you have? How would you act if you knew 100%? Again, I don't need you to understand this much, but I don't even need you to believe in it. I'm just putting the supposition that can help you operate in a better way in life. How would you operate if you knew you were an unkillable spiritual being that was just wearing a body? And you will have another body later when this one dies, and another body later when this one dies. And you knew that you were unkillable. And you knew that all of your actions not just have consequences in this life, but in every single one that is coming afterwards. How would you act having this knowledge in your power? Wouldn't you stop being afraid? Would you act different? Would you treat people different? Would you do more important things with your life, or less important things with your life? Would you make more money? Would you make less money? Would you try to be a better person with everybody, not make enemies? How would you act? Who would you be? And what kind of things would you be involved in that you're not in right now? AKA, how would you change? Think about it. This is a video for humanity. Please share this video with everyone you know. It's not just for you to think about it and feel smart. Share this video. It's a real question I want every single one of you to be asked by me personally. Thank you for watching this video.